Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 10s, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the actual visual evidence that the reset option will work. So they should disappear after the whole operation. So here it doesn't really matter on which mode you will be, so the video, auto mode, whatever. Just find the settings which should be in the left lower corner. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the reset settings and confirm it with tapping on reset. And as you can see, we just immediately got back to the camera and you cannot see the grid lines here, which means that fortunately we just successfully reset all camera settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera preferences in your TCL NxtPaper 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.